TESDA. So, kung na may gusto ko hire sila as MC, pinigyan po nyo. Okay, so before I proceed, shout out to Ernie, you enjoy? Come to Joy. Shout out. So, good afternoon to everyone. May hapon. Okay, so ay pabor-pabor ng audience na ako, mga kauban-hiya po naman sila. O pipilalayan na din na ang kauban. Okay, so I hope everybody is listening from where they are right now. So I hope na aminawani. So, sa palagar, pag-uli nyo sa malayon niya, traffic pa kayo ni Cagayan de Oro. So, while waiting, you can earn the certificate. Na pwede nyo magamit kung mag-apply nyo as an additional credential sa inyong application. So, pwede nyo siya gamitin na ni. Okay? So, what is a TESDA online program? So, aside from the scholarships na ipangatag sa TESDA na sa mga TBIs at TDIs, nagyan po nito nila na online program. Online program is to say, anywhere you are, whatever you are doing, balagag na ka sa inyong balay, or as makadapit, you can earn a certificate from this TESDA. Okay? So, muna itaw nila karon na TESDA online program. It is flexible, at your own pace, pwede mo maka-earn of TESDA certificate. All at the same time, aside from maka-earn mo certificate, makatuon yapon mo o additional skills. Okay? So, kung maybe you are tired of scrolling in the social media, so pwede yapon mo, kanina lang yung baton, instead na mag-FB mo o mag-TikTok o pa. Okay? So, let's try to see what are the offerings of TESDA online program. So, if you want to access the TESDA online program, just open the browser in your smartphone. Okay, pwede magamit ang smartphone ninyo kung walang may laptop or PC. You can use your smartphone, then open or click your browser, open your browser, and then, okay, and then type, dito na yun ang URL na etesda.gov.ph. Okay? Atong i-flash, wait lang. Okay, kayo lang ha. .gov.ph. Okay, so what ang URL? e-tesda.gov.ph. And press na yun ang inyong itap na yun sa inyong browser. So, muli na yun siya ang makawas. Kani siya. Okay? The TESDA online program. Okay. So, after that, so magkita nyo din karoon sa iyang flash na din these are the possible courses that you can take in the TESDA online program. Pwede bookkeeping, content creation, social media level 3, and etc. So on and so forth. For free. Dagan pa kayo. So, how to log in? First is that, kung wala pa kayo account, you are going to create your account. So, click login. Kung nala ka account, login na ka diretso. Kung wala pa, just click new account. Okay, new account. Okay, so diretso na ko. Okay, by the way, as a backgrounder, before I proceed, okay, so TESDA online program is a web-based platform that offers free, massive, open online courses, or in short, MOOCs, for the technical education skills development of the Filipino workers. So, di lang student and workers. So, sa una, more pa din siya ang mga list sa courses na available. Nadugangan pa din siya karon. Di na lang kay kanana siya. Okay? So, how do I enroll the course? So, you go to the URL na ako ikuan ganiha, e-tesda.gov.ph, then you're going to create your account. So, these are the usual questions that are being asked. Is it free? Yes. Di na kailangan nga mag-pay tuition, libre. Do you get a certificate? Yes. Makakuha kang certificate after completing the online course. And then, ang pangutana, can I earn Attesta National Certificate. Dili ka maka-earn diretso, but pwede ka maka-take of assessment na gamit nimo ang Certificate of Training from the TESDA online program. Panalitan, gusto ka mag-take of bookkeeping. Okay? So, na naman kayo certificate sa bookkeeping sa online program, pwede na ka maka-take of assessment. Kaya pangitaan man ka of training certificate. So, you can use that as a certificate in applying for an assessment. Okay? So, pwede ka maka-take of assessment using the certificate na nakuha mo sa TESDA online program. Okay? Question? Like pamantala. Very good. Pamantala ka ron. Dali lang. So, when you click the create a new profile, dahil nandalita yun ang TESDA online program privacy notice. Now, because of the Data Privacy Act of 2012, dahil na siya permanente. Kaya ang mga data na kuha sa inyo, dili na siya gamiton in other words. Okay? So, just try to read the privacy notice. Then, sa ubos tayo, just scroll down. Scroll down. After reading, you read this. Tabasahin ninyo. Dili pwede nga ninyo basahin. Kaya pagkabot tayo tayo sa ubos, I agree to the TESDA online program, privacy notice. I-click na siya na yun. Okay? The moment that you're to click that, it will take you to another page. Dito lang ka mag-create sa imong account. So, log in. Okay. So, choose your username and password. So, username, shall we say, and then, password. Remember, your password must be a mixture of uppercase, lowercase, special character, and number. Then your email address. So, importante ani kanita na naka-red ang imong butangan o i-fill out nimo. Then check there, I'm not a robot. Then after that, create my new account. Okay. So, remember, katulad naka-red lang sa inyong importante na butangan. So, upload na natin mo what do you call this one? Confirmation notice. So, you click that, and then, click this link to confirm your account. You click this link to confirm your account. Okay. So, continue like that. Na naman ka, naka-confirm naman ka, then click continue. Then after that, you complete your profile mo. Again, mura Japon, kato Japon, naka-red ang dapat i-fill out. So, naka-red Japon, importante. Municipality. Okay. Sex, once a day. Civil status. Married. Oh, sorry. Okay, employment status. Okay, so na-update na nimo. So you go to the courses. Click courses, mo din siya ang mga different courses nga available. Panalitan, you want to learn about, shall we say,
Halal.
Mantay, kung sa mga ang gusto.
Halal.
Electrical and electronics. So, na din rin available mga courses. Then, for example, you want to learn about renewable and alternative energy. You click that. Then, mo na siya available mga course para ito nga kategory. Kani, tawag nila nga, solar night light assembly. If you want to learn about that course, if you want to learn this, if you are interested, just click enroll. Okay? So, enroll me na ika. So, you can start your training. Hindi lang ka mag-learn about that course na gusto. So, try to explore what are the available courses na pwede na mo ma-enrollan. Okay? Again, not all courses are available, but so far, daghan na kaayo ang pwede. For example, I want to learn about technical drafting. So that is under construction. So technical drafting, construction, so technical drafting. So I want to learn about how to draw or how to make a plan. So, ang lang ka dito, muna na yung mga different courses na available ano siya. Okay? Introduction to technical drafting, how to draft, architectural layout, how to create computer-aided drawings, kanang sa AutoCAD, and how to draft certain level details. So, pili lang ka diha, palitan lugar, AutoCAD yung gusto, may kabalunan ka mag-manual, so create that, and enroll me. Okay. So, you're na-enroll. Now, even though wala yung teacher yun na mo conduct sa training, na naman dahil niya ang mga demonstration na naka-video format. Okay? So, additional learning na siya. If you are a student of engineering, if you are a student of architecture, that you want to learn ahead of the different things na maipatuloy sa school, so pwede nyo gamitin niya siya as a supplementary learning. So, aside na makatuon ka, makabalo po yun ka, makakuha pa ang certificate after nyo maman siya. Wala yung pangitan.